Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 355 different strategies, with 114 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 253 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,033 indicators, with 431 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, this scalping indicator will blow your mind. Exact buy-sell signals on 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute chart. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now we didn't do it on all the different time frames, but we did it on the 5 minute time frame, and we did it on the Bitcoin. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the indicators that are on screen. Actually, I already had one hid, and we'll add the first indicator to the screen. It's going to be the Scalping God indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Now, interesting enough, even though the source video claims that this indicator gives exact buy and sell signals, it actually doesn't give buy sell signals, at least not the way you would think of it, especially if you're going to say exact buy sell signals. Then you would think it would be pretty clear when exactly you should buy and when you should sell, but unfortunately, it's not very super clear. Now, the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the RSI. This is just the standard RSI, the built-in relative strength index by TradingView. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And of course, that will look like, again, your standard RSI, stays on the default settings, as well as the Scalping God indicator. And so what we're looking for is, first and foremost, we're looking for the background coloration from the Scalping God indicator. So when we have a red background, we're looking for only shorts. When we have a green background, we're looking for only longs. The background is a indication of the overall higher time frame trend direction. And then what we're looking for is we are looking for the parabolic SAR dots that you see here, the red ones and the green dots. We're looking for this break where we go from the green dots to a red dot like this right here. So we have the red background, so we're looking for only shorts. We start getting green dots, or we have green dots as we enter into the red, and then as we enter into the red background, and then we switch over to a red dot like this right here. Then lastly, we're going to look down to the RSI, and we want the RSI to be below the RSI moving average, so this yellow line right here, and we want the RSI line itself to be below the 50 mark, the dashed line right here down the middle. That's the 50 mark there. And so you can see here that we meet all that criteria right here on this candle, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot right here, and we're going to target a 1-to-1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we make a nice kind of stair step down there, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is the green background from the Scalping God indicator, like this here. We're then looking for the parabolic SAR dots to switch from the red to the green. So you can see that we pick up the red dots right here. You can see that it switches back to a green dot right here. Then we're going to look down to the RSI. We want the RSI to be above the yellow moving average line, and we want the RSI line to be above the 50 line right here in the middle, like it is here. When all those line up like so, that's going to be your signal to then enter into a long. Put our trade right there, right below this pivot here, and target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And again, we stair step our way up, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 38% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. So definitely not a great strategy, scalping or otherwise, and again, not exact buy or sell signals. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator, which does have exact buy and sell signals. We did 43 trades altogether. We had 34 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 78% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $20,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,800 with the 9 losing trades, which would have put you at an overall gain of $9,600. Now, we are also putting the final touches on a position management strategy that will increase the win rate of the indicator quite significantly to the high 90%. And so realistically, the overall gain on this would have been closer to around $19,000. So definitely better results from the Academy of Forex indicator. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a efficient trading system. And recently we've developed a crypto scalping strategy. Here on screen now you can see some of the trades using that new strategy. It's really decent results from it. We're also utilizing the position management strategy that I was talking about just a moment ago, which I'll be giving out to all the patrons here in the near future once I kind of put the final touches on it. But if you are interested in viewing the crypto scalping strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now. The link looks like a little circle with an eye in it. Click that and it will drop you down to 2 thumbnails. Click on the thumbnail that says new crypto scalping strategy and it'll take you to that video. Alright, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.